how to use iPhone as webcam for PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, you can use your iPhone as a webcam for PC using apps like Camo, DroidCam, or Epoch Cam. These apps connect your iPhone camera to your Windows computer through USB or Wi-Fi. So just go to your app store and then search for the apps. So once you find it, just tap on it and you need to install the app. And then you need to install the companion software on your PC for the app's official website, and then connect your iPhone to the PC using a USB cable for the most stable quality. Or you can even connect it to the same Wi-Fi network for wireless use. So open the app on both devices. Your iPhone camera should now appear as a webcam in sources like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, OBS Studio, and more. So you just use your rear camera for a better video quality, place the phone on a stand or tripod and keep the phone plugged in during long calls. And use USB if you notice lag on Wi-Fi. So that's how you do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.